What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're joining Star Horse Barry from Brawl Stars. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center page we're going to draw a straight line going across the top of the muzzle from left to right. And then from the ends we're going to connect this with a curve going all the way around towards the bottom. And just pull that back up on the right side like a circle. Let's add a detail in the center. Start with two angle lines going up and in. Flatten off the top. I'm going to add the nostrils along the side. Start with a straight angled line coming down and in. Go back up to the top, round up the nostril, and pull that in towards a point. And we'll fill the inside of the nostrils in black. Let's go back to the center, go all the way up towards the top. We're going to add a point. Let's add the horn, going up and out toward the left, right side. And then we'll extend this all the way up towards the top, towards the center point. Let's trace this shape along the inside. And we want to add a bevel across the bottom of the crystal. From these 2 points, angle this down and in towards the middle, then come straight down. Let's draw an oval in behind this point. So we'll start on the left, going all the way around, and then back in. Let's draw a larger oval, starting on the outside, going around, and then in towards the bottom. Continue around, and then up on the right. Let's go to the outside of the oval, draw two straight angle lines coming down. Now round up the bottom. And we'll add a little bit of texture inside. Start with a straight line coming down the middle. Angle these two out. Now we're going to pull the hair down on the left side. So let's start from this point. We're going to come down, round up the hair, and then pull that up. Let's draw the outside. Coming in, go up toward the top. Now we're going to come in behind the horn, continue on the right. Just going to swirl this around, and then back in behind. Now we're going to draw the top half of the mask. I'm going to start on the left, then this out, and then bring that down towards the side. Bend this down and then in towards the muzzle. Let's line this up over on the left side, bend this out and up underneath the hair. Now I'm going to add some detail inside the mask. Start on the left, come straight down, do the same thing on the right. Bend this out and then down. And just curve this out and then up. Now over on the right side from this point, we're going to step over, follow that same curve going up towards the top, draw a straight angle line going up and then out, curve this out and then down. Let's add that glare across the visor, starting from the top, bend this down and in, flatten off the top and the bottom, and then round out the bottom. Now I'm going to tuck the cheeks in underneath the mask and the muzzle, starting on the left. Coming down, bend that in towards the side. Let's go underneath the mask, step over, come down, and then in. On the top right side of the head, let's add the ear. Just going to round this out, pull that up, go around the outside, back in towards the head. Now I'm going to add a seam from that point, coming around and then in. Just underneath the ear, we're going to add that wing. Go up and out, flatten this off, come back down and in. Let's go back up to the top, draw a straight line coming down, and draw that same angle coming back in. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw those two straps across the shoulders. From the side of the muzzle, draw two straight lines coming down, round at the bottom, go around the outside, and then pull that in behind the cheeks. Inside those straps, we're going to add two lines, one going across the bottom, and then one across the top. Let's go underneath the straps, curve the body, coming down and in towards the hips. Now from the hips, bend this up and in, and then flatten off the middle. From these 2 points, angle this up and out, and then angle this in behind the straps. Now in the center of the body, we're going to add 2 ovals, one on the left, and then one on the right. Now let's go back and connect the hips with another curve, coming down, then up across the belt. Let's move down in the center, add a curve. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg, coming down and out. Do the same thing on the right. Bend this in and then down towards the bottom of the feet. Now we want to round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up. From the outside, draw a straight line going up. Flatten off the top. Now we're going to work our way back in towards the inside of the knee. And down and in. And then curve this up towards that inside point. Let's add in the belt. Starting in the middle, draw a straight line going across. And goes down and out. Flatten off the bottoms. And then angle that back up towards the top. Now from the inside, come down and in. Flatten off the bottom. Let's move over towards the side. I'm just going to bend the belt, going out and then down towards the hips. And then angle this up and then in. Let's add a seam across the side of the buckle. Now from this point, we're going to bend the leg, going out and then down on top of the boot. Let's add a stripe across the bottom, step up, follow that same curve, going across on both sides. Let's step up and draw that again. Now from the outside, we're going to draw a small rectangle, come in, down, and then back out. Now I want to go back up to the top and draw in the arms. Let's start underneath the strap, start with a curve, coming in and out. And then here we're going to add the thumb, coming in and out with a half circle. Close off the edge of the thumb, going up and then back in towards that point. Let's add 3 fingers across the bottom. Start from the thumb, coming down and then up. Go to the bottom, add the second finger. Now the third finger, we're going to blend into the arm, going all the way around and then up. Let's curve this in and then down in behind the strap. Now I want to go back and separate the top of each finger with a curve. Going in behind the thumb. From the top of the thumb, bend this out and then down. Draw a straight angled line going across the knuckles. Let's go to the center of the forearm, draw a circle. And then draw a straight angled line going in behind that circle. Start from the top, come down towards the bottom. Now we're going to add that arm across the forearm. Start from the strap, angle this down and out, angle this up and then out. Let's round out the side, curve this up and in. And we'll bend this back down and in towards the side of that strap. On the inside, draw another angled line for a seam. Now from the outside of the forearm, we're going to tuck the arm in behind. So we're going to go up and in, continue up towards the top of the strap. And then we'll add one more detail across the forearm. Start from the outside, draw a half circle. And then from the bottom, angle this down and in. And then we're going to tuck the tail in behind the body on the left. So we're going to draw a circle from the hip, going all the way around. Now let's sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Starr Barry from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.